Hi, my name is Jonas Domkes. I'm an application engineer at EAW. Alright, so what I'm going to show you today is the new EAW Radius family series of loudspeakers. And Radius is an entire product family that includes several models of a line array module, a flyable sub that goes with the line array module, point source cabinets, and a ground stack subwoofer, as well as a floor monitor. All of the products have in common a very efficient multi-way self-powered amplifier system with user accessible DSP, and all of it's connected via Dante. Okay, so we've also developed an iOS-based app that you can connect to the network and control wirelessly all of the loudspeakers in the Radius family. Okay, so this app allows you to access the DSP, do some of the programming here, actually even do some of the system design in the app as well. Okay. The line array module is a little bit special in that it's not just a powered loudspeaker connected with Dante, but also has some features that have never been seen before in a product like this that makes setup and configuration very quick and very easy for almost any level of user. So first of all, I'll start by saying that the RSX208L, which is this module here I'm standing next to, is made up of a dual 8, dual 1-inch high frequency arrangement. It's a three-way amplifier and is what we call a quasi three-way design, where both woofers are working all the way down to the lowest frequencies, and as we enter the crossover area, we're using one of them as a mid as well. So it's actually a three-way system. Okay. We also have added, you can't really see here, there's an infrared transceiver on top and on the bottom of each cabinet, if you want to show that, yeah. So what that allows the cabinets to do is when they're powered on, they can communicate with each other via this infrared transceiver. Each cabinet also has a digital accelerometer, which allows you to know what the angle of each cabinet is. So like the thing in your phone, when you rotate your phone and the screen flips over, we've got one of those inside the cabinet. So with all of this information, the cabinets themselves are what I would call intelligent, and we've given some smarts to the system where normally to tune a system like this, you have to come up first with all of the angles, and it might be 3 boxes, it might be 6 boxes, it might be 10 boxes, it might be a combination with subwoofers and tops. But whatever the configuration is, all the boxes are self-aware of the configuration and can optimize their tuning for whichever configuration that you have automatically by the push of a button. Okay? And then if you enter the data for how high the array is and where the audience is sitting, it can do the geometry and figure out the high frequency adjustment per box in the array automatically with the push of a button. So it's very simple and easy to use to set up. Okay, so even for an advanced user, it saves you tons of time. And for a simple user, it makes it easy for someone to always get really fantastic audio results every time, no matter what they do with it. Okay, and all of this is done can be also controlled in the iOS app that we've created as well. So you can connect it via Wi-Fi. It's really easy. You can daisy chain everything together. The boxes are very efficient. You can actually daisy chain power for 4 or 5 boxes together in a daisy chain. So for example, this array right here would have 2 cables connected to it.
Oh, no, yeah.
Yeah, this array has power and then daisy chain from one box to the next, and it has control and audio over Dante daisy chained as well. Okay, so that's kind of it in a nutshell for the RSX208L. This module here comes in at a price point where other products on the market are only maybe they're plastic boxes, maybe they're self-powered, but they'll never have Dante or any of these other features anywhere near where this module comes in. So there's no reason not to consider this product when you're looking at all of the other things that are out on the market. It's a very competitive. So here we have Anna, the adaptive loudspeaker module that in the family of adaptive products is the sister to the Anya module, which you may have heard about, which is the larger version. Okay. In the adaptive family, we have 3 different models. We have Anya, we have Anna, which is here, and this in Auto, which is the adaptive subwoofer. Anna, what you're looking at here are actually 2 models, the 2 boxes stacked one on top of the other. This product hangs straight. It's similar to a line array, but not really just a line array. It's more of a column that does adaptive coverage. So what we do is we have a very high density of components in the product, mids, highs, and lows, and every component is self-powered with its own amplifier channel and its own DSP. With all of this combined, we could use software called Resolution to create 3D models, add the arrays into the models, and adapt the acoustical pattern that comes out of the box to match the seating areas. Okay, so we can achieve, depending on how big of a system we have to acoustically match the space, we can achieve much more even results, the same SPL, the same response, and more seats than ever before possible with conventional systems. So this is arrayable vertically as well as horizontally. Both Anna and Anya can do the same thing as far as the arrayability goes. Anna is a 100-degree wide horizontal cabinet. It arrays in 90-degree sections, so you can see here, like this image here, you can array it in 90-degree sections. Anya, its big sister, is a 60-degree module with 70-degree coverage. And this is one of the latest technologies in loudspeakers today. Its capabilities are endless. The product comes with Dante connectivity. The Resolution software that connects and controls over Dante to this module is called Resolution. It's available on our website. It's free to download. You can build models and do prediction within the software offline. And when you connect to the system, you upload those parameters into the loudspeakers.